A gateway is a network node or device that serves as an entry point to another network. It acts as a bridge between different networks, allowing data to flow between them. In the context of computer networks, a gateway is typically used to connect a local area network to a wide area network or the internet. It serves as the connection point between local network and external networks, enabling communications and data transfer. Gateway can operate at different layers of the network stack depending on the type of a network being connected. For example, a router is a common type of gateway that operates at the network layer, layer 3, and forward data packets between different IP networks. A proxy server is another type of gateway that operates at the application layers, layer 7, and handles requests and responses between clients and servers. Gateway often perform additional functions such as network address translations, firewalling, and security filtering to protect the internal network from unauthorized access or external threats. Overall, a gateway plays a crucial role in connecting different networks, enabling data transfer, and controlling network traffic between them.